So here we are given what? Before that one. Lapha we are given what? We are given the equation of a curve and the equation of a tangent at x equals to 2, right? Tola equation of a tangent to this cubic function at x equals to 2. So you know what to do. Tola gradient yakhona uzoyithola kanjani, you derive, you substitute by loya to loya, tola the point of tangency, usunayo x wakhona, tola y, then use y equals to mx plus c to get the equation. Clear, right? It's simple there. Alright, the next one again now, tola the coordinates of the point where the graph and the tangent will touch or will meet again, right? So it is possible ukuthi ungaba ne curve and then kule curve le mhlawumbe ungadweba ungaba ne point of tangency somewhere here. Or let me just say angazi ngizoyibeka. Okay, kungenzeka kube na something sort of like kanje ya. Kodwa kuseyona phela I tangent le ya. Tangent kumele ihambe like kanje ya. So kuthiwa ngesiZulu amanzi lapha kama khona phinda ame futhi. Sho kanjalo. So kuyenzeka ukuthi I tangent ne curve bengathintani lapha ya kuphela but kube khona another point where they will meet again, right? So now leya question ke leya ithi asithola ayisho sizoyithola ini I point of tangents lapha ya, and then we must find another point where these two will meet again, right? So sesifuna in lapho ke another point of intersection between equation layer curve nani ne tangent. Yazwakala? Okay, let us do it together. So the first one, let me write solutions la. The first one, sifuna ini the equation of a tangent loopy at x equals to 2. So we know what we must first get g prime of x and then get g prime at 2, right? Okay, g prime of x la pause baba. Mind the signs, please. Mind the signs. It's negative 3x squared. Yes. Minus 4x, yes. Plus 11. G prime at 2 will be, okay, so substitute salapaya, it's negative 3 into 2 squared minus 4 into 2 plus 11. What do you get? Use your calculators. This is minus 12 minus 8 plus 11. It is negative 9. So it means m wako la paulingana bani negative 9. Now let us find banige now g at 2. G at 2 will be negative into 2 cubed minus 2 into 2 squared plus 11 into 2 plus 12. Let me check what's equation. That is also one of the most common mistakes abafunda bayenzayo. So when you transfer the equation also winikeziwe to your script, make sure ukuthi ibhala kahle in terms of ama signs, especially signs, yeah, nakho konke, make sure ukuthi we transfer kahle. Then what is our y value if g is equals to 2? 18. It's 18. So now we've got the gradient negative 9. We've got the point of tangency with coordinates 2 and 18. Now we can use the equation y equals to mx plus c, right? Y equals to mx plus c. What is the value of y? It's 18. The value of m, x, then we see where it's over. How kanina? This is 18, negative 9 times 2 is negative 18. Then I'm tata lo misa ngale uyo add because negative the side. Maya ngale zo figure add, right? So banobani no c equals to 36, positive 36. Therefore, the equation of what of our tangent now will be y equals to negative 9x plus 36. right? Actually, the first question basically determine the equation of a tangent at x equals to 2, right? So the equation of that tangent at x equals to 2 will be given by negative 9x plus 36, right? Now the next question is in Lapa, determine the coordinates of another point of intersection between the curve and the tangent, right? So point of intersection, when the two functions are equal or the two graphs are equal, right? So basically we must solve for g of x equals to y, right? Okay, so we equate these two functions basically. So when the negative x cubed minus 2x squared plus 11x plus 12 equals to negative 9x plus 36. Right? Asenabo o y says no ban manje says no x pair. Right? Let us solve for x lapaya. Right? Can you solve for x lapaya? Of course we can. Let us group the like terms. X cubed. So that's all terms la so we say that side, right? So it's no x cubed minus 2x squared. It's now 11x plus 9x 20x. Salandela ngish. And then it's now 36 no 12. So what is 12 minus 36? Negative 24, right? Then from here, can you solve for x? I taught you the simplest way of solving what? Cubic equation. Synthetic division, right? Yes, you can just perform in Lapa a synthetic division. Can you please get at least one factor that will satisfy this equation, right? So can you please get one x value as a this layer equation layer equal 0? How soon go here? Equal is 2, positive 2. Should we now will have x minus 2. Is it 2? Yes. So we must use Lama coefficients. Sorry. So it's negative x, it's negative 1, negative 2, kubo 20, then kubo bani, negative 24. Alright, sorry for the inconvenience. Okay, you can have your calculator. Alright, so okay, let us continue the way the science are. So vertically we add, diagonally we multiply. So negative 1 plus 0 is negative 1, right? Negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. Negative 2 plus another negative 2 is negative 4. Negative 4 times 2, it is what? It's negative 8. Negative 8, or 20 plus negative 8, it is 12. Then 12 times 2 is 24. Then this sums up to 0. Minus 24 plus 24, it is 0. Now for the second bracket, this is x squared, x, and then constant c, right? So now it means Zobanobani, no negative x squared minus 4x plus 12. Then from there we can solve for x, right? So one thing we may say as lapaya, we were given what x is equal to 2. Using our calculator, we were given what one of the point of intersections between layer curve and tangent x value konubani 2. So here ngoba so solve for two points of intersections, and lot should have these coordinates, right? Then tinasfuna the other one. Yazogan. Alright, so let us solve for x lapa. X will be equals to 2, this side, or this side to x is over. Let us multiply everything by the negative lapa. No x squared plus 4x minus 12 equals to 0. So we'll have let us factorize lapa. The factors of 12 angasnigaza 4 are 6 times 2, right? The bigger factor takes the sign of the middle term. So 6 should be positive, this one should be negative. And so no x olingana no negative 6, no x opinda lingana no bani x is equals to 2. Lo yabe simtholile. So thina we are not interested kubani kulo 2 lo nalo aya. Why? Because lo 2 lo uzosinikeza this one of which is the point of tangency, right? Thina sifuna ini the coordinates of another point where igraph yethu ka g of x ne tangent yawo they will meet again, right? So now sesiyofuna bani u-f at -6, right? Sesiyofuna u-f at -6. Can you please substitute lapha? Use your calculators. Make use of our brackets, must substitute. Is so huge. 9. So the point lebe sifuna where the curve and the tangent will meet again has got coordinates -6 and 90, right? So that's how we do it. So lapana we had the equation of g of x, and we were required to guess the equation of what? Of a tangent at x equals to 2. So I told you, the equation of a tangent, we need a gradient, we need coordinates, x and y coordinates of what? Of the point of tangency. Then you use y equals to mx plus c, right? And then here, equation ebithanda ukuhluka kulokho ebesisakwenzile so far, but laphana it just equates the equation of the curve and the equation of what? Of the tangent. You solve for x, and then sifuna another point where in a curve and a tangent they will meet again, right? So we're not interested at x equals to 2, because since if x is equals to 2, y is over 18, right? So sifuna bani, sifuna loya. So it can never happen ukuthi a tangent and a curve behlangane in 3 points unless leo tangent is over parallel to ama x-axis. Get the sense? Ngithi ayisho our curve isuke ime kanje ya. So now I'm saying ukuthi the only way whereby singaba ne tangent ezothinta igraph yethu in 3 points ngaba ukuthi le tangent le it should be parallel to ama x-axis, right? Maybe sizoyibona icase kanjalo. It's in equation yethu the graph of h of x equals to ax cubed plus px passes through the point 3 and -2. So this is just a point. We're not told whether it's a turning point, point of tangency, point of inflection, or whatever point cubic function. It is just a point, right? It passes through that point. So now it says the gradient now of the tangent to h at point 0 is to 0, which is the origin, right? So it is what? It is 3, right? It's in the gradient of the tangent to h at 0 is to 0 is equals to 3, or is 3, right? So it's in lena iti uf prime or uh prime at 0 ulingana nobani? No 3. One thing you must familiarize yourself with, make sure ukuthi uyakwazi ukuthatha i-statement in weights usibhale in mathematical terms, right? Because amanye ama-topics lapha nisazokwenza i-finance, yeah, sizomele lapha ufunde nje isingisi, usi-understand isingisi bese uyasibhala ke now in terms of maths. So let us continue lapha kuthiwani determine the value of a and p, right? So now sifuna bani u-a no p. We are given i-equation ka h oyini oyi-curve laphayana. We are not given any. We are not given the so-called equation of a tangent. And put here abayiding laphaya. So determine the values of a and p. So here we know ukuthi h prime of x or h prime of x, yes, h prime at 0 must be equals to 3. Lokho wekusho ini lesa statement lesaya, right? Sithen lesa statement the gradient of a tangent of the tangent to h at the origin is 3, right? Meaning h prime at 0 uzobobani u 3, right? Why? Because masifuna i-gradient, we derive the equation of a curve, then we substitute by the x value. Sekuyini leyo ke? Sekuyi-gradient. So nalaphana ke sizoderive h prime of x, si-substitute ngo-0, and then bese sithola bani? U-3, right? Alright, so let us derive ke lapha. H prime of x uzoba is 3ax squared, yes, plus p, right? Plus p. Okay, so now let us substitute by 0 lapha sizoba nobani? Okay, sizoba h prime at 0 uzoba u3a into 0 squared plus p, right? This means that p is just equals to 3, right? Because this is 0, right? Now sesinaye ubani laphana, sesinaye u-p, right? Mase sesinaye u-p, yes, u-x mo-p animchazeleni derive, right? When you derive this function, we will say exponent times the coefficient, so 3a, then we bring down the base, then we subtract 1 from the exponent, so 3ax squared. Then from here, siyazi ukuthi lapha kune exponent e1, so we'll say that's 1 times this coefficient, so u-p. Then when we subtract 1 from layer 1, so no, x to the power of 0, and anything to the power of 0 is 1. So p times 1 is p. Are we together now? Alright, so now sesinayo i-value ka-p, isn't it? So now equation yethu, meaning sesingayibhala as h of x is equals to ax cubed plus bani plus u-p wethu ubani u3, so we can say plus 3x. Now sesifuna bani a, right? We're given a point. This graph passes through a point 3 and -2, right? So we can substitute this point here and get the value of what? Of a, right? So now this is y, isn't it? Y kulela point, actually the point has got coordinates 3 and -2. So if we substitute this point in this equation, this is -2 equals to a x wethu ubani u3 cubed plus 3 times 3. Then we can solve for a. That's all right. All right. So let us substitute lapha. This is -2 equals to, what is 3 cubed? 27a. 3 times 3 is plus 9. We take this one to this side. It's -11 equals to 27a. Then a wethu uzoba lapha. 11 over 27. Can we simplify it further? -11 over 27. Mawumfaka calculator uzobuya exactly as that. Yes? No, asithatheni as a fraction, please. Ngizonitshela ukuthi wayevele siku-equation lapha yabo. Equation ethi 0, something x cubed, wakwayibona? No. So it is just -11 over 27. So the next question lapha beyithini? Beyithi thola ke manje ini i-gradient of the tangent to h at x equals to 3, right? So now usunayo ngisho equation yakho ngoba usunayo ama values ka a na ka p. Equation yakho usungasho ukuthi ithini kahle kahle, this is h of x equals to -11 over 27 x cubed plus ubani u3x. Then from here thola ini ke now, thola i-gradient ye tangent at x equals to 3, right? Siyazi ukuthi what to do angisho. So we find ubani h prime of x, right? Now not in terms of a and p. Sesinawo ama values ka a no p angisho. Then after finding derivative ka h laphana, we will find ubani h prime at 3. Bisho nje yale question. Right? Okay, let us derive lapha. What is the derivative of this function? La, anbon? What is 3 times -11 over 27? as negative 11 over 9x squared, right? I-derivative ka-3x ubani? U-3, right? Then from here, let us substitute by U3. So no negative 11 over 9 into 3 squared plus 3. What is this? It's negative 8. Right? It is negative 8. Negative 11 over 9 times 9. 9 and 9 back cancel and negative 11 plus 3 is negative 8. Okay, so far, let me hope ukuthi konke kuyazwakala, konke ku-clear. Right? Let me hope ukuthi everything is clear now. So, if not, kulaba abaqalayo or abangakazi be-attende wonke ama-sessions ami, please go and check ku YouTube. Ama-videos will be sent in kuleya link leya. Kuleya group yenu, ama-link, sorry, azosendwa kuleya group leya. So, especially la calculus, make sure ukuthi you master how to find i-derivative. So i-derivative nje umgogodla kushiwo njalo ngesiZulu, i-vertebral column, umgogodla wani we-calculus. Make sure ukuthi uyakwazi ukuderive and make sure ukuthi you master i-algebra. Lento yama-signs, yokutranspose nani. Make sure ukuthi uyayimasterisha. Is it clear?